Can you guess what is this? Highlighter. A highlighter is a colored marker used to mark specific portions of text by applying a bright color over them. Can you guess what is this? Bulletin board. A bulletin board is a display surface typically made of foam used for posting announcements, notices, or other written information. Can you guess what is this? Mouse pad. A mouse pad is a flat, often rectangular surface designed to enhance the usability of a computer mouse. Can you guess what is this? Desk. A desk is a piece of furniture designed for writing, reading, or working on with a computer. Can you guess what is this? Printer. A printer is a peripheral device that produces a hard copy of digital content from a computer or other electronic device. Can you guess what is this? Scanner. A scanner is a device that converts physical documents, images into digital format, and translating it into a series of dots, pixels, or vectors. Can you guess what is this? File cabinet. A file cabinet is a piece of office furniture used for storing and organizing documents, files, and other paperwork. Can you guess what is this? Paper shredder. A paper shredder is a mechanical device used to cut paper documents into smaller pieces or strips.